Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's very clear to see that the real life events are playing a very crucial role in deciding what the price of Bitcoin and the altcoins is going to be, especially in the last 72 hours as the events or the news are dropping. First of all, Trump announcing there's going to be tariffs on Canada, China, and Mexico. That caused the whole market to tank and Bitcoin found a support at 92,500. After that, there was a pause being put on Mexico and Canada's tariff, which actually allowed the market to recover very quickly, and Bitcoin was able to climb all the way to 102,000. But there is a little bit of a sell-off. Now, there's two ways to see this. First of all, the sell-off could be due to the fact, well, a lot of people decided to take profit that bought at the lower dip. And the second reason is China just announced they will be putting a tariff on a lot of things coming from the US. So you can see that the trade war is slowly starting to trigger, and the fear to the grid index is slowly starting to fall into fear after about 3 to 4 months, and that's a long period of time. Just in China to impose 10 to 15% tariff on US oil, equipment, coal, and LNG, so that is big. Top analysts say Dogecoin is set for a $4 rally after completing a major 58% correction. SEC's new rules: will crypto firms face fewer crackdowns now, or is there going to be more? And for the first time since October, the crypto market has shifted into fear after an extended period of greed. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I just want to talk to you guys about the price action of Dogecoin. How is this going to be playing out? Well, if you're paying attention to the overall concept in terms of what is happening, well, the first thing was there was a little bit of a sell-off because there was a little bit of uncertainty. That uncertainty was caused by the fact, is the news of tariffs going to be breaking or not? After that, the whales, which were holding for a long period of time or extended period of time, decided to sell. We were able to find a little bit of a consolidation zone. When the news dropped, boom, there was that big sell-off. From the sell-off, we were able to find a support close to 20 cents. Then there was a little bit of recovery, and then that recovery boosted even harder when Bitcoin saw a really crazy inflow of cash due to the fact that Mexico and Canada's tariff was being put on a pause. After that, well, China just made an announcement, and you can see that there was a little bit of a sell-off, and we are able to make a little bit of recovery. But I know for a fact a lot of you guys have a question right now. Sky, is this recovery going to be breaking the previous higher high and actually going back into the territory of 33 cents, or is it going to be breaking down? Now, personally, if you ask me, the market is so uncertain right now. It would be a very hard judgment to make, but one thing for Dogecoin especially is going to be breaking the 30-cent barrier. Until we're not able to climb over 30 cents, it's actually very hard to tell if we're in an uptrend or a downtrend right now. I mean, we're still in a bull market, don't get me wrong, but the way the market is reacting, breaking the 30 cents resistance now is going to be a little bit harder than a lot of us expect, especially the open interest. It might be up 4%, but it's still well down compared to where we were just about 3 days ago, close to 1.8 billion. The long to the short ratio is still in favor of long traders, but it's now sitting at 75% as compared to 78%, so there is a little bit of uncertainty. And when China is going to impose more tariffs on US oil and equipment, coal, LNG, obviously this is going to get interesting. And let me tell you one thing that's going to be playing a very crucial role on this. The trade war can definitely impact the crypto market, not just the crypto market, but the stock market as well. Now, the top analysts are still predicting the Dogecoin market to do extremely well. And personally, I agree, because Doge has usually been the driving factor for the crypto market. What I mean by that is usually Doge is going to attract new investors into the crypto market. Once the money flows in, we're going to be able to start the altcoin rally. Usually the altcoin rally is started by Ethereum, don't get me wrong, but right now Ethereum is definitely underperforming as compared to what a lot of people anticipated, but XRP is what everyone is expecting to do big numbers. But I can see Dogecoin actually outperforming many of those large caps. And SEC, now we know that Trump is in office. He definitely wanted to get rid of some people, especially Gary, who is, you know, used to be the leader of SEC and was very against crypto. Well, now will the new rules be in favor of crypto firms? And the simple answer is yes, it's going to be very strongly in favor of crypto, and the shift follows leadership changes at the SEC may signal a less aggressive approach to crypto regulations. Experts are divided on the change, with some saying it prevents rug attack and others fearing it will slow down the enforcement and enable fraud. Now, this is an interesting take on it, but I feel like this is what people are more scared about, that Elon is getting access to so much of internal data. Elon Musk's special job title revealed as Trump press secretary stumbles over his security clearance. Not sure, but at the same time, they are getting access to some of the financial stuff about the government, and 43 million will be liquidated if Bitcoin reverses to 92,000. That's a lot of money. And Dogecoin will move 200 million to Binance. Very strong chance that there will be a little bit of a sell-off that will occur. And that's what I've been trying to tell you guys. Right now, we're sitting at a really crucial time. It's going to be extremely important to try to figure out what direction the crypto market is going to go. As the market is getting into the fear zone, there's a lot of people, or the whales, are deciding to take profit. They want to book profits before it is too late. If they're going to be booking profits, what's happening on the other end? Well, on the other end, there's going to be a little bit of sell-off. The traders are going to be liquidated. The price will go down. And then there's going to be another pull-off. Now, right now, as I mentioned, we're sitting at a very strong point. So if you're especially leverage trading, I wouldn't recommend doing that as the market is so uncertain. One thing I do want to say is I'm not giving you financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Now, Bitcoin rises above 99,000 as US pauses the tariff. XRP and Dogecoin jump over 13% and more to come. Now, this is another big deal that happened. Fold expands relationship with Visa to accelerate Bitcoin rewards card program. So bigger companies such as Visa are now trying really hard to ensure that they're able to get into the crypto game before it is too late. And Musk's Doge group has access to the federal payments system, and that's exactly what I was talking about. Getting access to this could be a big deal, because does the government or does the public want Elon to have access to this? And it's a big deal. That's what I'm going to say. I'll leave it up to you guys to make that decision. Record trading volume for US spot Ethereum ETF amid the market turbulence linked to the tariff announcements. I mean, let's just say the ETF of Ethereum has not been in a better place as compared to where it is right now. It's shown a good strength and actually given it more opportunity to grow. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.